So you have a OnePlus Nord N100 phone and you have an issue where the screen is unresponsive, or maybe it's frozen, or maybe you just can't swipe. You can't even bring up the restart menu here. And even if you can, you're not able to restart or power off. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to force it to restart. So how you do that? It's very simple. You want to press and hold two buttons simultaneously. It's going to be the volume up and the power button. You want to press and hold both buttons at the same time, and do not let go until the screen turns black, then let go. We'll do it together. Volume up, power, same time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Don't worry about what's happening to the screen. Just keep on holding those two buttons and wait for the screen to turn black, then let go. Just wait. Black, let go, and now it's going to go ahead and restart automatically. You just force it to restart and you won't lose any data this way. All right, pretty simple. Questions or issues, just comment below. Good luck.